Hello everyone, welcome back to my football comeback journey. After recovering from a meniscus injury, my main goal is not just a stronger but becoming a more complete football athlete. And every gym session starts with the foam rolling, mobility work, and activation exercises. This helps improve movement quality, prepare the joints, and reduce unnecessary stiffness before training. Today is an upper body explosive and strength session designed to improve power, stability, and athletic performance on the football field. So today I started my session with the 10 minutes foam rolling. After foam rolling, I did proper 10-minute full body activation with bands and some body weight exercises. So the first exercise is the push press. This is one of the best upper body power exercises for athletes because it teaches the body to generate force quickly. The focus here is not maximum weight. The goal is moving the weight as explosively as possible while maintaining good technique. So next, I move into plyometric push-ups. This help improve upper body explosiveness and rate of force development. For football players, being explosive is important not only for sprinting and changing direction, but also for physical battles during matches. After that, I perform pull-ups. Pull-ups build upper body strength, improve posture, and strengthen the muscles responsible for shoulder stability. I focus on pulling up with speed and controlling the lowering phase. So now it's time for bench press. Instead of trading to failure, I focus on moving the bar with intent and speed. As an athlete, the goal is producing force, not simply getting tired. The next is the chest supported row. This exercise strengthens the upper back and helps maintain balance between pushing and pulling muscles. A strong upper back improves posture, stability, and overall athletic performance. So now I move into landmine pressing. Unilateral exercises challenge stability and help address strength differences between sides. This is especially valuable during the return to play process after an injury. So to finish the session, I perform farmer carries. This exercise build grip strength, core stability, and total body control. Simple exercise but extremely effective for athletes. Next is the Pallof press. This exercise trains anti-rotation core strength, helping the body resist unwanted movement. A strong and stable core improves force transfer during the football actions. So I finish with hanging leg raises and side planks. Core strength is essential for sprinting, changing direction, maintaining balance, and reducing injury risk. For football players, a strong core acts as foundation for everything. Overall, today's session was focused on building explosive strength, stability, and athletic performance. The goal right now is not bodybuilding. The goal is returning stronger, faster, and more powerful after my meniscus injury. If you are following my football comeback journey, make sure to subscribe and let me know what part of the recovery process you would like to see next. See you in the next session. Thank you.